Hi everyone, in this video I'd like to give you a quick description of the BCG Growth-Share Matrix. And if you need to download our PowerPoint templates, there will be a link in the description. So basically, the BCG Growth-Share Matrix is a great matrix to prioritize your investment. It is useful whether or not you are a large corporation or a small business. Okay, let's say you are a large corporation and you've got 5 business units. Well, defining how you're going to allocate your resources between those business units is critical. If you are a small business and you have 3 different products, same thing. Defining how to allocate your resources, capital resources or human resources between those 3 products will be critical too. So the matrix includes 2 dimensions. You've got the growth rate of the market you're in, and you've got the market share. So let's say that you have a product in a market that grows rapidly, let's say by 50%, that's a high growth rate. And let's say that the same product has a market share of 55%, which is also a very high market share. Then the product will end up in this quadrant called the star quadrant. Okay? So we've got a caption on what to do based on where the product or business is positioned. Okay? So star quadrant, you want to invest. Dog, you don't want to invest, you probably want to divest. Question mark, it's usually the trickiest quadrant. You will have to define or identify whether these products or businesses may end up as star or dog. Okay? If they end up as dog, you may not want to invest much. However, if you really believe in those businesses or products and you really think that they will become star, then you may invest a little bit more. And then you've got the cash cow, very important because these products or businesses that are inside this quadrant will generate a lot of cash, and this cash will be reinvested usually or mainly in the products and businesses in the star quadrant. To save you time, we've got 2 templates. One simple one where you can position your different products or businesses, and we've got a more advanced one here which has 3 dimensions. You still have your growth rate dimension, market share dimension, but there is a 3rd one which is the annual revenue, and that's the based on the diameter of the bubble. Okay. For this chart, you can just click here. Oops, sorry, I'm going to use my mouse here. Then you click here, and that will open an Excel sheet with your different business unit or your different products, and you just have to write down your market share, your growth rate, the size of the revenue, and the matrix will be automatically updated based on your input. I hope it makes more sense. Please subscribe to our newly created YouTube channel, and if you have any question, you can send us an email at support@domonconsulting.com, and one of our tier 1 management consultants will get back to you usually within 1 or 2 business days. Thank you for your attention.